Hello everyone, today welcome back to CTF Tricks once again, and today we'll be doing the Advent of Cyber's first challenge of 2025. That is, today is December 1st, and we'll be doing the first challenge that is out already. So without wasting any more time, let's move ahead with this challenge. So today's challenge will be on based on Linux CLI shell basics. And previously, we have already uploaded a video regarding the cyber prep track for Advent of Cyber 2025. Please feel free to go and check it out. It will get you through the basics of Linux, shell scripting, CMD, app security, AI security, etc. And without wasting any more time, let's move on to the challenge. I've already spun the shell for this challenge. You don't need to spin up an attack machine, and this just runs on your browser. This challenge is all about the Linux basics, the commands that you use in Linux, etc. So, which command uh, would you use to list a directory? We use ls to list a directory, as you all know. So, we do ls. What flag did you see inside the McSkidy's guide? So we will go into the guides directory over here. We do a ls and press enter. We don't see any files as such. So as you know, there is another like flag in ls, which is ls-a, which helps us see the hidden files and hidden directories as well. I try ls-a and I see a .guide.txt, so which is a hidden file. I'll do a cat of .guide.txt and voila, I got the flag for the THM Learning Linux CLI, the first flag. Next is which command helped you filter the logs for the failed login. We will go to /var/log and we'll do a ls again. We see all the various logs over here, which include the authentication log, the kernel log, the sys log, and all other stuff. So what we are interested in is logs for failed logins, which most probably will be in the auth.log. So what we will do is we will do a grep and we'll search for failed. And what we'll do is we provide the file in which we want to grep, and we see all these various logs: failed password, failed password, failed password, and all those stuff. We see that failed password for sockmas from eggbox, opsec, thm ports, something. So sockmas is a user account, and someone from this eggbox has been trying to connect to using this credentials for sockmas. So what we will do next is we'll do go to cd/home/softmas and do a ls over there. We'll do a cd 2025. We'll do a ls again. We see something like called xstrike over here. What we'll do is we'll do a cat of xstrike to see the contents of it, and yes, we see there's a flag inside xstrike, that is thm carrot pane attacks. So which command helped you filter the logs of the failed logins? That is the grep command. What flag did you see inside the xstrike script? That is the this carrot pane attacks flag. Which command would you run to switch to the root user? We use sudo to switch to the root user. So sudo super user. Okay, so sudo super user and sudo super user is the command I use to run switch to the root user. Next, what flag did Sir Carrotbin leave in the root bash history? So I'll just go to cd/root dot bash, and we have this bash history. Okay, so sorry, dot bash history is not a directory, it's a file, so I'll do a cat for that. And once I do a cat for that, I see that there is one more flag which says thm until we meet again. And this is the final flag for this. Awesome. So for those who consider themselves intermediate and want another challenge, check McSkidy's hidden note in home/McSkidy documents. Get access to the key for side quest 1. So let's go to slash home slash McSkidy uh, slash document. Awesome. Let's go over there, do a ls. Let's do a ls hyphen a just to be sure we don't miss anything. There is a txt file called readme please. I'll do a cat readme please. And to whoever find this, I had a short second when no one was watching. I used it. I've managed to plant a few clues around the account. If you can get into the user below and look carefully, those three little Easter eggs will combine into a passcode that unlocks a further message that I encrypted in home ednap documents directory. I didn't want the wrong eyes to see it. Access the user account ednap and the password is something is coming. There are three hidden Easter eggs. Easter eggs, they combine to form the passcode to open my encrypted vault. Clues one for each egg. I ride with your session, not with your chest of files. Open the little bag your shell carries when you arrive. The three shows today, the rings remember yesterday. Read the ledgers, older pages. When pixels sleep, their tails sometimes whisper plain words. Listen to that tale. Find the fragments, join them in order, and use the resulting passcode to decrypt the message I left. Be careful. Uh, I had to be quick and I left only enough to get help. Okay, so this is another extra Easter egg. Okay, so for the next part, we are just going over the challenge, the Easter egg that has been hidden for the side quest one. So for this, we were told to like go to home McSkidy documents, and once you go to home McSkidy documents, you can find this readmeplease.txt. Once you do a cat on readmeplease.txt, you get a few hints, clues, and you also get a username and password. We don't need a password for now. What we need instead is just the username. What I'll do is I'll do a sudo su, or you can directly like do a login into the uh, new username that has been provided. But this way, if we do it, it's fine. Oh, sorry. Awesome. So we have come to the Etin app. So first option is I ride with your session, not with your chest of files. open the little bag your shell carries when you arrive. So this refers to the bash shell, the bash RC, whatever is there. We'll just go to the home and do ls-a. So here we see that there is this bash history, bash RC, and all those things. We'll do a cat on dot bash RC, and here we see that we have the password fragment one, which is Easter. I'll just open Notepad from here. Okay, so we will copy this and just paste it over here just to be sure. And I just pasted it here. This is the first part of the password fragment. The second is the third is when pixels sleep, their tails sometimes whisper plain words. Listen to the tail. So this says like there should be some picture whose tail will contain some hidden words. And the second is the tree shows today, the rings remember yesterday, yet read the ledger's old pages. This kind of hints towards Git, like the Git tree, the Git branches, and like whatever has been committed, like master and all those things. So we'll solve it one by one. We have already got the first password fragment. I'll do a ls again. I'll do a cd pictures. I'll do a ls again. There is a file called easter.png. Let's try to do a tail on that. Tail easter.png. And okay, that's all too clear. Just to let me do grep. Let me rn9 and uh, pass frag. It was right. It was pass frag is the awesome. So it is in the there is some hidden file called Easter egg dot Easter egg, and if we do a tail on dot Easter egg, we get this pass frag 3 that is coming. I'll just copy and paste it over here. So we got two passwords. One is passfrag1, one is passfrag3. And so the actual answer to the first hint was passfrag, this spam environment, not bash RC. So the actual answer was the spam environment, and that's where we get the first answer, like just a passphrase. So just like hacking, you have different approaches, different ways. I can just do a grep over here and do a grep rni, and once I know what I'm searching for, I'll do a pass frag, and as you can see, I get all the things like I have pass frag 1, I have pass frag 3, and I don't need to even look for pictures, Easter egg. I don't even need to figure that out. Look at the hints and stuff, something. So the next thing is, let's find the second flag. So here we find something like secret underscore get. Let's go to secret underscore get. So there is a dot get over here. Let's go over there. I'll do a ls, and there is a commit message. Let's check what is in the commit message. So as you can see, there is some secret node.txt that was uh, like deleted using a commit. Let's try to fetch that. So I'll do a git show, and I'll use this branch name, and let's paste it, colon secret node.txt, and yeah, voila. So we got the pass track 2 as well. So this is the complete solution for the entire like lab, including the side quests, and we have completely like solved it. So thank you for sticking around. You did it. Linux CLI shell bells is complete. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you feel there's anything to be changed, if there's any comments, please note it. Feel to write those in the comment section and let me know how you felt about this video. Thank you.